putting Pickering's own bag-to-nature compost bags to the test. The local product, made by Indaco Manufacturing on Brock Road, claims to be the strongest available. So we're testing it against Glad and Husky compostable bags. All three are accepted in Durham's municipal waste program. For our office experiment, we filled each compost bin with the same waste: chicken bones, paper towel, coffee filters and grinds, and clearance fruit and vegetables. Let's take a look at the results. First one is the Husky bag, and as you can see, there's some condensation and some nice rot going on. Let's see what awaits us. That stinks. Oh, we've got some garbage water. The second one is the Glad bag, which was also the most expensive of the three brands. This one has an odor guard. To me, it smells a little stinkier than the rest, though. I think maybe the anti-odor protectant has actually caused it to smell even more rotten. So again, we've got some condensation, same amount of rot going on. This bag is wet. Oh, and it's dripping real bad. This is disgusting. I would not carry this through my house. And, oh, that's gross. The last one is our bag to nature, made in Pickering. And it claims to be the strongest, so. Again, condensation. Same amount of rot, exactly the same things that were put into these compost baskets. The only difference is if we had an extra core, it wanted this one to truly put it to the test. Outside of the thing is pretty dry, and look at that. The results speak for themselves. Condensation on the bottom, but all of the garbage water still in the bag. In Oshawa, I'm Crimi reporting.